Replaces up to 5 other remotes, reducing complexity and clutter in your living room. Supports 5,000 plus brands, including devices you own today and add tomorrow. Simple online setup using your PC, live customer support available. Bright color screen shows your favorite channel icons plus commands for easy navigation. One-click activity buttons like watch a DVD automatically switch the right devices to the right settings. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to set up, great to only use one remote. I was hesitant to order a Harmony because I heard they were difficult to set up. I am glad I went ahead and ordered this because I absolutely love it. Easily paired with my Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV, with the purchase of the Flirk, soundbar, TV, Xbox, and even an off-brand HDMI switch I purchased from Amazon. I was easily able to set up the Watch TV button to default to my Apple TV and the Watch a Movie button to default to my Amazon box. It's so nice to have one remote now instead of the 5 I used to. I would always misplace the tiny Apple remote, that's not a worry of mine anymore. The only issue I've come across is I wish the volume button would always control my soundbar without having to select soundbar from the menu. I am sure there is a way, I just haven't figured it out yet.